Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Elm Bonsai, Ryan here. In today's video I'm going to be pruning the Chinese elm, the Cork bark Chinese elm. It's already been done once this year, but the second flush is in now and I want to prune them back. So we'll get into the video and we'll get this little fella pruned up. As you can see, it's grown really well. In fact, it's grown a canny bit. I've been plagued with caterpillars this year, like, so some of the leaves has curled over off it. What I'll be doing is, I'll be starting with the first pad. Like so, these growing straight up, we'll just take off. Then I'll be cutting back there about 2 or 3 leaves on each branch. Not sticking out too far. It's the second time this has been done this year, which means it's very healthy. I'm just cleaning the bottom of the pad off. Don't know if you can hear Howard in the background, but he's shouting on. That branch has died off there. If it was earlier on in the year, I would have used them for cuttings, but not this late in the year, I'm not. Plus I've got loads of Chinese elms cuttings anyways, for now. The blackbirds has really done a number on my soil and my trees. So there's them 2 done. We just need filling out a bit to get them rounded. Excuse me. So we'll come over to the right hand side. We'll just keep cutting back. Howard's quite happy. He keeps giving a little shout now and again there. I think he's just checking to see if I'm still there. I've ordered some more quail eggs. I ordered them last week, which was a bad idea because of the bank holiday, which I didn't realise. So I hope I get them in that walk here. That's the low pads done. It's time to work on the apex, which is a bit of a mess. But we'll just keep pruning back and anything underneath. Pretty much there, this tree. Been a bit dye back on it. The blackbird just knocked it out of shape a bit. I'm just pushing it down as it's still got the wire on. Well, there we have it. A little bit prone up on the Chinese elm. There we go. I'll bring you in and give you a better look at it. Doesn't look like I've cut much off it, but all that's come off. So it was in desperate need of a haircut. As these pads grow, we'll dome them. I might even bring the apex in tighter, and we'll get these domed over the next couple of years. Hi Howard. Hello Howard. Okay everyone, that's just a little short video on pruning the Chinese elm. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you like, leave any comments below and I'll answer them if I can. Just leave your comments and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.